Welcome to the installation guide. Power on. Set the humidity level. Fan speed, timer, and pump. Air intake. High capacity water bucket. Pull out with 2 hands. The continuous drain port. The pump drain location. Connect the tube. Check the machine before running. Check the float inside the water bucket. The float should move freely. Now it's ready to run. Empty the water bucket once it's full. Tilt it to the side to let water exit. Insert the water bucket with 2 hands. Open the pump, drain, and connect the tube. Clean the air filter inside the machine. Remove the water bucket. Find the air filter above the water bucket space. Pull the air filter tab lightly. Now you know everything about our quality dehumidifier.